Yeah, well, we're all leaving.
All right, so we're here at the, yeah, it's okay, it's good. You come out to the basic coating stage, we eat lots of food, and you can see right here, we did some great sample panels. Arnie over here from Wheat Paints, there he is, man. He's a local. How many years you been here, Arnie? On the islands?
All my life.
Hey, that's what I like to see. Anthony, how about you?
10 years.
10 years. Natasha?
Born here.
All right. Joe, how about you?
Since I was 3.
Oh man, stay local.
45
Yeah,
years,
yeah,
37
awesome.
years.
Yeah.
Liz, you're from Massachusetts. You just came here.
I'm from Maine.
Oh, Maine. Oh, sorry, Maine. Sorry. Yeah, that's close. Well, not close, but it's on the East Coast.
Yeah, it's close.
Yeah, exactly. But how you liking it out here in the islands?
Nice.
Isn't it nice? So yeah, you can see we're all sitting here. We're just having fun, learning the whole new basic coatings technology. These are our HyperTone stains. 2 to 4 hour dry times. No spontaneous combustion. No flammability issues. Here we did on our maple panel. You can see there's no blotchiness on the maple. We did straight tobacco, straight white, straight jet black. That jet black's amazing. Then on the left side of the panel, Arnie put down our Emulsion Pro, straight. And on the right side, he put down the Street Shoe NXT. Those are all satin sheens. And then over here, we did, I have one that I haven't stained yet, but we've got some of our HyperTone stains here. Some of these whites I did like a 70-part white with a 1-part green just to kill some of the red in the red oak. That's straight Emulsion Pro right there. And this one we did a little tinted coat of Emulsion Pro with a little hickory. Thank you. So and we have great participation here. Everybody's getting in here and putting down stains and finishes. This is what we do here, basic coatings. So what do you say? Everybody would do this again sometime. Yeah, all right. And we'll see you at the next one. Basic coatings. Thank you.